it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Dr. Teal's Epsom salts. These are for your bath. I use 2 cups. I just put it into my running bath and let it dissolve for a minute while it runs. And then I soak for about 20 minutes. So great. This is a 6-pound bag, so it lasts for quite a while. I love how soft my skin feels after, and it's also great for muscle relief, tension, stress, things like that. I also used to like this when I was postpartum and I just had my babies. Soaking in this was a lifesaver and absolutely helped so much with my issues after that. This is the unscented kind. A lot of times scents can be overwhelming, especially when they're in the bath. I like that it is unscented. A little goes a long way. This big bag will last me quite a while, and I use it for my kids. My husband uses it too. We both love the muscle relief after maybe we've been sore from the gym. We love soaking in this. So if you are looking for something that's maybe going to relieve some stress or make your skin really feel soft and smooth, I would highly recommend that you look into this. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.